Well, I'm on the beach and my microphone is working. Got a bobber out there with the minnow on it and no action so far. Seems to be drifting a little bit slow right there. I wonder if it's trying to get around a rock or something. So I think I'm gonna check my depth. There's that little houseboat's been cruising that island, back trolling. And then there's one, sometimes two other boats over there. And I guess it would be there. Yeah, the one went around the island. But it's a beautiful morning. A little cool. I got my hood up on my hoodie and takes care of that little breeze on my right ear. So there's my minnow bucket. I left that there all night. Seems like I could hear it banging on the rocks, but it didn't hurt it any. I might try a place over there more protected if it gets windy, but I'm all set up here. That bucket back there has got water in it, so it's ready. Ready if I catch a fish, I can put it in there. Maybe keep it or throw it back. It gives you advantages. But I'll put that depth finder on and I'll show you how I do that. Let me set you right here on this rock. See what I got for a view. I guess I'd come up a bit, huh? There we go. I think I got it. It's good enough. So, this is what it looks like. And I'll pull my line in. I should have new line on. I never did do that this year. I did it. I don't think I did it last fall either, so this might be 2 years. Well, I think I found my problem. I must have been hitting bottom because I picked up a piece of seaweed there. That's why it started drifting so slow there. I could just come up a little bit, but you can see it was hitting bottom. This probably wouldn't be any good fishing here if the weeds were full growth. Right now it's so early in the spring, there's no weeds. Okay, to get this on there, you want to push it on, not pull it, or else you risk a hook on your finger. So you push that little thing in until it grabs the hook. Well, it's hard, but I'm good there. So I gotta wait, and I'll just cast out there, kind of like about how far I usually can get my cast or where I want to be, and then if the bobber sinks, then I know how I'm deep, and then I'll just kind of pull it in a little bit at a time and wait until I can see the bobber. Hopefully you'll be able to see this. Get you positioned here.